Welcome to Tech Radar Pro, and today we're bringing you the latest news on mobile malware installers. According to Kaspersky, the number of detected mobile malware installations has dropped from 5.6 million in 2020 to 1.6 million in 2022, a 70% decline. It's the risk tool type potentially unwanted software that takes the lead across all mobile malware installations at 27.39%, followed by adware with 24.05%. The biggest victims of mobile malware attacks were revealed to be in China with 17.70% of all attacks, followed by Syria, Iran, and Yemen. The only European country to make the top 10 was Switzerland. Though the overall number of detections is in free fall, there's one disturbing trend: an increase in mobile banking Trojans. Kaspersky detected 196,476 installs in 2022, up 100% from the previous year. That's the highest recorded in the last 6 years. The most common Trojans were Bray, 66.4%, targeting Japan, fake calls, 8.27%, and Bian, 3.25%. Going forward, Kaspersky warns that cybercriminals are further improving both their malware features and spread vectors through official marketplaces, ads, and popular apps. To stay safe, Tech Radar Pro recommends that businesses implement secure endpoint protection services. Think of us as your intrepid source for business cybersecurity solutions.